Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I do my gel nails at home. So first we need to pick a color. I got this set from Amazon. They have a few different ones, but this is my favorite. So we're going to go with this light pink color today. I did forget to apply a priming coat before this. Make sure you do that. This kit will come with a priming gel and it will come with a top coat. Once you have your first coat on, then we're going to put it under the UV light to set. Then we are going to apply our second coat, and we're going to put it in the UV lamp to set again. And then applying the third coat for this color. If you mess up, I just wipe away the excess with my nail. And now the fun part, to create a design for our nails. I'm going to do Louis Vuitton today. You can get these stickers on Amazon. I will link them below. So I'm going to do the LV logo, and we're going to do that on my ring finger. I'm going to have it a little off-centered because I'm going to be putting some silver flakes around it. So here are the silver flakes. I will also link these below. And I'm just going to dump these out so they're easier to pick up. So now we're going to apply our top coat. This is what we are going to use to set the flakes on top and move them around. While the top coat is still wet, you're going to pick up your little silver flakes and put them in the spots that you want. I'm just going to put them all around the LV logo. Once you have them where you want, we are going to put this in the UV lamp. Then we're going to put the final top coat on for this nail and let it cure. Once it's cured, then I'm going to go on to the next nail. I'm going to do another design on my thumb, applying it in the center so that I can apply the silver flakes around it. Once you have that pressed down, you're going to apply your top coat, and then we're going to place the little silver flakes around it. Once you have cured the flakes in place, then we are going to apply the final top coat. Now I'm going to do some accent nails with this glitter. This also comes in the set. I am going to be doing my pinky and my pointer finger. While that is still wet, I'm going to be applying a clear coat to my middle finger since I'm not going to be doing anything else with this nail. Once you cure that, then I'm going to apply the final top coat to the glitter nails. And this is what the finished result looks like during the day. Here is another look of what it looks like at night, and I did do the same design on my toes as well. Thanks for watching.